Join me as I dive into the wild world of Bitcoin and see if I can turn a $1,000 investment into $100,000 in just 6 months. The thought of Bitcoin reaching $100,000 in just 6 months seems like a wild fantasy, but what if I told you it's not only possible, but it's actually happening? We're seeing the cryptocurrency market make unprecedented moves, and I'm thrilled to dive into the details of this incredible surge. One of the biggest hurdles in the world of cryptocurrency is dealing with the skepticism that surrounds it. Many people view Bitcoin as a volatile investment, prone to sudden and drastic changes in value. And to some extent, they're right. Bitcoin has been known to fluctuate wildly in the past. But as we're about to see, there are some very real factors at play that are driving its growth. It's understandable that investors might be hesitant to get involved with something as unpredictable as Bitcoin. There are a lot of unknowns, and it can be tough to separate the signal from the noise. But for those who are willing to take the leap, the rewards can be significant. I've spoken to investors who have seen their initial investment grow by tens of thousands of dollars in just a matter of months. Of course, not everyone is convinced that Bitcoin is the way to go. There are still plenty of critics out there who view it as a bubble waiting to burst. But as I'll show you, there are some very compelling reasons to believe that this growth is sustainable. So what's driving this incredible growth spurt in Bitcoin? For starters, we're seeing a significant shift in market trends. More and more investors are waking up to the potential of cryptocurrency, and that's driving up demand. At the same time, institutional investors are starting to get in on the action, pouring millions of dollars into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This influx of capital is having a profound impact on the market, driving up prices and fueling further growth. And then there are the global economic conditions to consider. With central banks around the world printing more money and devaluing their currencies, investors are looking for safe havens, and Bitcoin is increasingly being seen as one of them. As I dug deeper into the numbers, I was struck by just how rapidly Bitcoin has been growing. It's not just a gradual increase, we're talking about a full-blown surge. And at the heart of it all is a single catalyst that changed everything. I'm talking about the day that Tesla announced it would start accepting Bitcoin as payment. This news sent shockwaves through the market, and it marked a turning point in Bitcoin's growth trajectory. Suddenly, this wasn't just some fringe investment, it was a legitimate currency with real-world applications. And as more and more companies start to follow Tesla's lead, the potential for further growth is enormous. So what does it all mean? In just 6 short months, we've seen Bitcoin go from a fringe investment to a mainstream phenomenon. The implications are huge, and I truly believe that this is just the beginning. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there's never been a more exciting time to get involved in cryptocurrency. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of Bitcoin. If you're as excited as I am about the potential of cryptocurrency, be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my previous video on cryptocurrency trends.